spin-up tornado. Tarrant County, Denton County. Whole line at times could be producing spin-up tornadoes. Same thing up in Cook County, Gainesville. Apologies for the silence. DFW, it's windy. Potential for embedded spin-up tornadoes damaging straight line winds of 60 to 80 miles an hour. Not much hail with this, just a lot of wind. East. I need to set a manual storm motion vector. Keep an eye out for rotation with this. We're not seeing any right now, but this street, Arlington, Duncanville, west side of Dallas, Providence, you've got storms.